For this video, I am going to teach you how to use the chat feature in ClickUp. So if you don't know, the chat feature allows you or allows teams to communicate directly within the platform, keeping all conversations organized and related to specific tasks, projects, or general topics. So this chat feature helps reduce the need for external messaging tools and makes collaboration seamless. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply log into your ClickUp account if you already have one. But if you don't have an account yet, you can just simply sign up for an account, and all of the necessary information are available in the description down below. So you can just check that in there. So again, after logging into your account, you can navigate to the spaces where you want to add the chat. So chats in ClickUp are set up as view within or within a specific space or a folder. So basically, if you want to add it to a space, need to go into a space. But if you want to add it to a folder, go into your folder, or if you want to add it in your list, you can also do that in your list. So I'm just going to do that in my space right here. So this is a simple or sample topic or simple or sample space. So once you are in your space, what you need to do is to click onto this plus view situated at the top of the space or folder view. So right here, click onto it, and from the options or from the drop down, select chat as the view type. So it should be under the more views section. So click onto it, and you can name the chat however you want, and the settings should be available on the right hand side of your screen. And you can also right click onto your chat and then rename it however you like. So I'm just going to rename mine space chat, so to make it very simple. And once the chat view is set up, you can start chatting with your team. So the chat view looks like a typical messaging interface where you can send messages, emoji, and even link to tasks or docs. So you can type your message right here in the chat box at the bottom and hit enter, or click send at the bottom of your screen right here. So for example, hello, hit send. And you can also use, or if you want to mention users or task, you can use this symbol or add symbol right here and mention anyone or any of your team members and invite them directly here in chat. So how is it going? For example, just like so, hit and enter on your keyboard. So basically, you can use also mention tasks to link a specific task right here. So just going with mention task, or you can go for task option right here and select from the options that you have, or it will pop up. So for example, task name, or I'm going with this one. So for example, I'm going with select first a team member. Can you give an update? So there you go. You can link, or you can mention your teammate and also link a task if you want to. You can also click the smiley face icon right here to add emojis to your messages, making the chat more engaging and expressive. And in ClickUp's chat, you can link tasks also or documents to make it easier for team members to access relevant information without leaving the conversation. So type again, followed by the task name or the ID in the message box. So select the task from the search results and or add a link, and a link to the task will appear in the chat. So click also if you want to link docs or documents, you can click onto this button right here, or to this attachment button. If you wanted to upload file, you can do so, or if you want to add attachments from Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, and so on. You can also create threads within a chat by clicking the reply option right here, situated on the right hand side of your screen. So, this allows you to keep conversations about specific topics organized within a larger text. So, each reply is grouped. So, for example, hello again. Each reply again is grouped under the original message, so side discussions can happen without cluttering the main chat. And when someone mentions you in the chat, you will receive a notification in your ClickUp inbox and potentially through email, depending on your notification settings. And if you want to delete or edit a message, hover over that message to see options to either edit or delete your message if needed. So right here, delete comment. And if you want to edit it, just click on to this edit button right here or icon, and then you'll be able to edit your message just like that. So that's basically it. That is how you can create and also use the chat feature here in ClickUp. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.